It started a long time ago, about 46 and a half years. I responded to an ad in the newspaper for a truck driver, and I was hired by Goodwill. After about 2 years, I finally got really connected with the mission. One of my first truck helpers that rode with me was a gentleman with a mental health disability who resided at the Harrisburg State Hospital. So from there, my connection to mission grew as I grew with Goodwill.
He started out as a truck driver, got his education, has believed in the mission of Goodwill, and his influence and his spirit of commitment to persons with disabilities is just so real and so vital, and his staff responds to him as well as his volunteers.
We're a regional nonprofit organization. We serve 22 counties in central and southeastern Pennsylvania. Most people know us for our retail stores and donation centers. However, we're much more than a store. We have a core mission of helping people with disabilities and other barriers become independent and members of the community.
Well, he identifies persons who can open doors, and we've always been interested in being partners with the United Way. Really, our example of Good Careers Start Here is being used now with the United Way and their influence on income, and one of the strategies is helping people to come up and identify jobs available, and then to make sure that these persons have the training and the education to move forward.
A job is important. That job is your connection to the community. It's your connection among friends and family members, and it's important to give people an opportunity to do that, whether they have a disability or some other barrier to employment. The impact in community, especially when you come from the society that service to people with disabilities was sometimes institutional care, to beginning to provide those services in the community and working with employers and having them hire individuals they may have thought could not work, and the proof is that the people with disabilities make really good employees.
It's just been a terrific opportunity to work all these years with John, and I think this award is well deserved.
Receiving this award is just a wonderful honor, not only for me, but for my team and for Goodwill, because it is the spirit of the Capital Region. And we played, I think, a large role as a service provider and community partner here in the Capital Region.